In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet background not working if your background blur or virtual backgrounds aren't showing up. Don't worry, this quick walkthrough will help you reset things the right way. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Meet. In the results, click the official link that takes you to meet.google.com. It's important to use the official site so you're on the latest, fully supported version. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account you normally use for meetings, as some organizations manage settings that affect visual effects. After you're signed in, we'll make an important change in your browser that often fixes background issues. Look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. From there, select Settings. In the Settings page, find the section labeled System. Inside System, locate the option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and turn it on. Hardware acceleration lets your browser use your computer's graphics capabilities, which Google Meet relies on for features like blur and virtual backgrounds. After you switch this on, your browser needs a fresh start for the change to take effect. You should see a prompt to relaunch. Before you click Relaunch, save any work you have open in other tabs. Then go ahead and relaunch your browser. When it reopens, return to meet.google.com and sign back in if needed. Now let's reset your video effects inside Google Meet. Open a meeting or the preview screen where you can see your camera feed. Look for the effects panel. This is often represented by a sparkle icon or available from the side panel in the meeting controls. Click on your video preview to make sure you're adjusting the right feed, and then choose either Remove All or No Background. This clears any previously applied effects, which is helpful if something got stuck or corrupted. Think of it like giving your camera pipeline a clean slate so Google Meet can reinitialize the effect correctly. After resetting, give your video a moment to stabilize and confirm that your feed looks normal. Good lighting and a clear outline around you can also help Meet detect you more accurately, which improves background handling. If you're in a managed workspace, remember that background effects may be controlled by your admin, so availability can vary. That's it. By enabling hardware acceleration, relaunching your browser, and resetting your background and effects, you'll resolve the most common causes of Google Meet backgrounds not working. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got your video looking the way you want.